Cue the concrete, steel reinforcements, and heavy machinery. Welcome to the world of box culvert construction, where engineering marvels are born. In just 60 seconds, we'll take you through the whole process. First, site preparation. Clearing, excavating, and setting the stage for construction. Next, formwork. It's like creating a mold, but for a concrete structure. Then, steel reinforcement. A skeleton of steel bars, giving strength to what's to come. Pour in the concrete. Watch as it fills the formwork, embracing the steel. After it sets, strip away the formwork. Voila! A box culvert, sturdy and ready for duty. Now, backfilling. Covering the culvert with soil, returning the site to its natural state. And there you have it. Box culvert construction. Engineering that's as robust as it is fascinating. Until next time, keep building wonders.
这是江西赣州的一个工地，混凝土表面有蜂窝麻面和色差问题。通过我们修补、打磨和色差调整后，大家看一下，蜂窝麻面和色差不见了，效果非常棒。这是
Have you ever wondered how bridges, these massive structures that span across rivers and valleys, are built? Isn't it a marvel how they stand tall, defying gravity and withstand the test of time? Well, it all comes down to the intricate process of bridge construction, and one of the key aspects of this process is the pile and pile cap work. It's a complex task, but oh so crucial. Well, prepare to have your curiosity satisfied as we delve into the fascinating world of bridge construction.